Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the 66 Buick Riviera and this is by Hot Wheels, and this casting is new for 2025, and I do love Buick Riviera. So I bought this one. So I bought this for 179, which is the MRP. So let's unbox this and see how this one looks. Okay, so out of the box the casting looks really nice, and again they went with this glossy black. So I mean, it easily you can see the fingerprints here, right? Okay, but they did this time a bit well. I mean, it doesn't have any issue. Okay, it has good interior detailing to it, which is really nice, and it has some Easter egg here. Let me see what it is. I'm not sure what that is, but it does look really nice. I think it is supposed to be a grocery bag, I guess, but it looks really nice. Okay, so it doesn't have any headlight detailing. I mean, but there is a grill which is chromed out, which is embossed as well. So no tail light detailing as well. That is a bit disappointing. They could have had at least any one detailing here. So you can see, the Riviera logo here, and the chassis is fully chromed out, and it does have a very little bit of detailing here. So the body is fully metal, chassis is fully plastic, and you can see the door handle here that is a bit embossed and painted on top of it, and doesn't even feel much heavier or heavy. So let's weigh this casting now. Be 25 to 27 grams, 31 grams, not bad. But the stance is really cool on this one. So let's do a roll test. Okay, doesn't roll really well. Okay, this time it went well. Okay, it does wheel wobble on both wheels. The rear wheel wobbles a lot actually, but it does roll fast. Okay, so let's rate this casting. So I'm just taking one for literally everything. I mean, it doesn't have any headlight or tail light detailing or anything like that. They just went pure black. So it does look badass and it looks good as a casting like this, but they could have added a little bit of headlight detailing or something to it that would have, made the casting a bit lot more lively. So yeah, for that reason I'm just taking one. That is common for everyone, right? So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.